before we go into anything else, I want to talk about how it is to repair this laptop, because I actually have done that. I've also tried to get Apple to do it, and they wouldn't do it. And in fact, I have a video on here of one of the Apple employees, one of the people that actually work on the laptops and service it and stuff and replace the parts in it. Apparently, their child was screwing around with my computer on their desk. The person that was repairing the laptop was just talking to their mom off in the corner and not paying attention, and their kid came up to my laptop and I guess started messing around with it. They started, like freaking being really rough with it. I could hear in the microphone, like they were screen recording. I don't know why they started screen recording, but they started screen recording, and they actually ended up saving evidence of their foolery. So let me see if I can actually find that.
And then she gonna tell me, so my mama was like, I can't do it. She put on the and she entertained. She told me Snoopy have to say mama. So I'm like, okay, so when I get
There you go. That was it. No idea why that happened, but that happened, and I'm not happy about it. It's just kind of funny.